Hello everyone. Today I will show you constructor chaining in Java. Constructor chaining is the process of calling the parent class constructor from the child class constructor. I will show you this using one example. Let's open my IntelliJ IDE. Now I will create one project here. Write the project name here. We got the project here. In this source folder, I need to create the package. Write the package name here. In this package itself, we need to create the class. I gave class name as test. Before writing the main method inside this class, I will create two more classes. Inside the class, I will create the constructor. I wrote two classes here. One is a school class and another one is student class. I will make student class to extend the school class. When student class extend the school class, the student class become the child class and school class become the parent class. Now I write the main method inside this class. Inside the main method, I will create the student class object. I created the student class object here. When I create the student class object, the control automatically goes to the student class. Inside the student class, there is a constructor. Control come into the constructor. Inside the constructor, there is a super method. When super method get executes, super method take the control from student class to the school class. Means whenever the super method get executes, super method work is to take the control from child class to the parent class constructor. So the control comes into the school class constructor. Inside the school class constructor, I gave one print statement and that print statement get executes. After that, there is no any more statements to execute. So the control again come back to the child class constructor, means student class constructor itself. Then after that, inside the student class, there is a print statement that get executes. After that, here also no more statement are there to execute. Then the control again come back to the main method itself. Then here also no more statement are there to execute. So the control now given back to the JVM. This process of calling the parent class constructor from this child class constructor is called constructor chaining. Now let's save this code. I will run this code now. See, this parent class constructor get execute first and then child class constructor print statement get executes. We are getting the output. Now I done with explaining the constructor chaining.